Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius, your favorite tech channel. Well, this is me Surya Prakash, and in today's video I'm going to teach you guys how you can create a disk partition in Windows 10 or 11 in 2024. So as you can see right now I just have a single disk, that is C, and I have used 231 GB out of 475 GB. So in order to create a disk partition, you would have to access this setting over here, which is known as disk management. So the most easiest way to access this setting is going to the search bar and searching for disk management over here. Here you would find the option known as create and format hard disk partitions. If you just click on this, you would be redirected to this page. So in here, if you are using an authentic Windows laptop, then you would be having three partitions by default. One is going to be your boot partition, that is you would have the boot, page file, crash dump, and basic data partition. That is the C, which that is operating system C, local disk C, or that is what we call it. And one is going to be the EFI system partition, which is a mandatory system partition, which is for the EFI system. Now this is going to be the recovery partition, that is you would have your basic backups and some system files over there. Now the disk which we can partition is going to be this disk. In order to partition, you just have to right click on it and you would have to shrink the volume. First of all, you can shrink the volume by clicking over here. It would take about a few minutes, mostly within 3 minutes. Your amount of data which you have and the amount of space which you can shrink will be calculated, and we're just going to wait for the time. In the meantime, you would need to learn about something, that is NTFS, but if you do not want to learn, then it's still fine. Just follow the steps in this video in order to successfully make a disk partition which you can use efficiently like the normal ones, like this over here. Now as you can see, I've got this option over here which shows me the amount of space which I can shrink. Now this is going to be about a GB, and the total size after shrinking. Now I'm just going to shrink it. Now it will take another 2 minutes for the space to be shrink. Now after shrinking, we would find another disk over here with which we'll be able to set some characters to it, such as D, E, F. Now just take a look at over here. We just have the same local disk C, which has 231 out of 475. Now as we can see, we have an unallocated over here. We can just click this. You can assign a drive letter. Just make sure it's NTFS, not FAT32. Now we can see we have two disks, one is C and one is D. So this is how you create a partition in Windows. If you just want to delete this partition, you can just click on it and we can just delete this volume over here, and we can just extend the volume by clicking over here. The same steps you would need to follow. And see, this would change according to what we click. Now as you can see, we are back to the same space which we had. Now guys, I hope today's video was useful to you. If it was useful to you, just go click on the thumbs up button located below this video, and do not forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell button near the subscribe button in order to receive more such interesting videos like this. Once again, it's me Surya Prakash from Protech signing off. Let's again meet in the next video. Until then, bye.